This is not our first World Cup. I think we've been to a couple of World Cup before, and people can testify our performance anytime we go to World Cup. We don't disgrace ourselves. We show that indeed Ghana, we are a football nation. So it's the same. This is not a new thing for us. And once we are coming to this World Cup, people should expect a whole lot of different Ghana, Ghana that can win this tournament.
We are coming all the way from Ghana and Africa to show the whole world that Ghana, the stars, is our time and it's our moment. And nothing can stop us this time around. We are going all the way to the semi-final and probably to the final to win the cup.